Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kynhun Ïalehkai jong Shillong Lajong Football Club haka khat riu tarik unai wing arjar khat kendai kelapun kup Burom ya kirang Ïalehkai badia ki coach jongka hadian bakani Kynhun kalayok khori ya kanam la do ya kelempung Ïalehkai balatip kum ke Shillong Premier League bat ya ka under 18 Shillong Premier League hagani ka sngi lapun kup Burom ru ya kirang Ïalehkai jongka Lajong Academy bat ya ka Kynhun Ïalehkai jongka Elias Higher Secondary School kibala job ya ka under 17 Subroto Cup Dangshen. La sakhi lang ya kani jing pun kup Burom bala penlong ha Cloud9 kabadon ha Hotel Centerpoint ha Khandai Lat dakinong yalam jong ka Meghalaya Football Association bar ka Shillong Sports Association harengkat ka jingidon lang jong principal ka Elias Higher Secondary School Reverend Father Sebastian Palati kibala long kinong shakhot sngoba kerpang ha kani ka sngi pun kup Burom bar kun thupru ya utrai jong ka Kynhun Ïalehkai ka Shillong Lajong Football Club.
The way we played at the under 18 SPL where the boys have shown maturity, teamwork, and has really shown the caliber that they have to reach the top level. Well, after that I could not forget the hard work they have put to bring the state the honor to win the Subroto Cup, and with the majority of the boys from the club, it was evident that we're going to do something this year, and I was happy that the boys played very well throughout the tournament and definitely won the third Subroto Cup that the state has won at the under 17 age group. So that was a huge success, which I will not forget myself, and I believe the boys also feel the same.
So for me, everything is good, but for me, never is enough. We are still growing, and we need to carry on with this idea, to grow every day. If we think everything is done, we are wrong. We'll never grow, because the level is in your mind. The level is in your spirit. The highest level you can reach is in your hands. Only working properly and being ambitious every day, you will grow every day, and obviously this project and Shillong Lajong FC will grow every day. So I only have to tell you that, not only to the players, not only to the staff, to everyone, the stakeholders are working or are involved in this project, must carry on with this idea. We are still learning, we are still growing. Every day is a new challenge. And with that idea, this project can be unbelievable. And I'll be here, I don't know till when, but the moment I'll be here, or the time I'll be here, I'll be supporting all of you as I've done till now.
The journey, of course, began as a club since 1983. When the founders of this club felt that there was a need to set up a club that would look at promoting local talent. And the whole objective of the club was basically to uplift local talent, give local talent an opportunity, and so that we could grow and compete with the rest of the country and the world. It took about 19 years before I got an opportunity to take over the team and manage the team back in 2000, which is almost 2 decades back. And what we did then was basically, those days to play in the Shillong League meant that you go and look for good players, whatever age they are, 18, 20, 25, 27, 24, pick up the best boys, set up a team and play the Shillong League. But post 2000, Lajong, we decided that let us look at developing our own talent from a younger age. Some sort of inspiration from catch them young. Why not pick up players from a younger age and groom them and grow along the way? And that's what we did since the year 2000. And from 2000 to 2007, we had a remarkable journey. We did achieve a lot of success in producing players. The first most well-known player I think everyone knew was Rokos, who was part of our first team in 2000 when we started off. Then along the way we had Burom who joined us, and many players during that phase who went on to play for various young junior national teams and various teams across the country. Northeast, the advantage is that everyone here loves football. There's a very strong footballing culture. But we also have our difficulties in terms of finance, in terms of economy, economics, sustainability issues. And we knew that if Lajong is to continue its participation at the national level and continue to represent the state, continue to represent the region at the highest level of Indian football, then we need to dig deep into our talent reserves and look for more talent, develop talent, and that was the only way that we knew that we'd be able to sustain ourselves at the highest level. Because even if we were not as endowed as the bigger cities in terms of sponsorships and economics, we knew that there's a lot of talent in the Northeast, and that is why we wanted to work even harder with our youth development system. And that's where we started our first project in 2010, which Bobby was in charge of. It was a project called Goal 14, which was basically to develop the next batch of Lajong players for the I-League by 2014. And it was in the year 2010, I think the screen earlier, the video started with the Manchester United boys who went to Old Trafford. It was that batch which was basically groomed to be the new generation of Lajong by 2014. The 4-year project went off quite well, and in the year 2014 we were the first Indian club after Indian Arrows to actually field an all-Indian lineup in our first I-League match, which coincidentally was in Shillong. So to basically say today, Lajong, we are in a kind of a transitionary phase. We have decided that with the evolution of Indian football and with the league structures being materialized, it is important for us to, try and improve what we have been learning for the last 19 years, which is to spot talent, nurture talent, and develop talent. We had the first cycle of development where we were lucky that we had players like Burom go on to play for the national team. We've gone through second and third cycles. But hopefully with the fourth and fifth cycles which are here today with us, we believe that with this team lies the future, perhaps of even Indian football. I think that Lajong in the next 5 to 6 years hopefully will be able to produce players who are going to definitely represent the national team and take and be part of the overall development process of Indian football in the next 5 to 6 years. AFC has now announced the formal roadmap of Indian football, and under that roadmap, in the year 2022, the champions of I-League will qualify for the ISL. In the year 2023, another team from the I-League will qualify for the ISL, and from 2024 there will be relegation and promotion, which means that the Indian league structure will be an open league for everybody.
Roman Singh. And also Sevi Tarian, today we received a name. And also the emerging player for the Shillong. Next is Elias. Next is